Sinura Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 43rd video from the eShop Web Project Development series. So in this video what we are going to do is, our main objective is to make the manage users page. So to go to this page I have used this manage user anchor tag. So now I have arrived to my manage users and y'all can see the design of it as this. So for here also the numbers are here, the numbers are here of the IDs of the users are there, the profile image of the user is there, and the username is there, and the email of the user is there, and the mobile of the user is there, and the registered date of the user is there, and you can block the user also. So when you block the user, it will be changed to unblock, and when you press unblock and when you press OK, when you refresh it, it will be blocked. Then y'all can see the page animations over here. So that's the part that we are going to do over here. So now let's check the backend code that I used to make this. So these are the codes that I have given to do this. So first I have required my connection with a new PHP script, then the doc type HTML, then I have given my usual links, and for this I have given our unique linear gradient one as this. So I won't be talking about this linear gradient because I have talked them in my previous videos, but y'all can see it from here. Then first our manage all users label as the text primary and a FW bold and a FS1. Then our search users buttons. Then for over here our div table. So first what I have done is I have given my divs, and for over here as a call 12 and MT3 and an MB3. So first I have given for my first div as call 2 and a call LG1. Then over here the call 2 and a D none and DLG block. Then for over here also call 3, call LG2, then a BG primary. Then over here also like that I have done. Then over here what I have done is I have given $query as select all from users. Then a global one as a page number, and if is set to the $get page, the page number should be equals to the $get page. Then if it comes to the else, the page number should be 1. So after that what I have done is I have given the user RS and the database search $query. Then I have given the user num as user RS num rows, then the results per page as 20 and the page number is sealed $user num and the result per page, then the page result and the $page -1, then it's gonna be the result per page, then the select RS and the database search as the query .limit. So I should keep a space over here, limit the $result per page, then offset to the $page result. Then again I have done a selected num as the rows of the selected RS, and in the for loop I have given the selected data select RS fetched as of. Then over here I have given view message model. So we'll be talking about them in another video or not. But if I tell you what is this view message model, it's like a message model that you can pop up and when you click on top of it. But we'll be not talking about that because it's not for this part, but it's like a thing that I can make it nice. So it's just addition stuff, but we'll be not talking about that. So to show our images, I have used these queries. So this query is database search the select all from the profile image where the user email is equal to the selected data email. Then the images num as the num rows and the image data as fetched as of. Then I have given an echo as $image data path, and I have given them height as 40 pixel and margin left as 80 pixel. Then again what I have done is I have given for my first name and the last name selected data F name, and I have concatenated it with the L name. So you should remember to keep a space over here. Then for my email selected data email, then for the mobile I have given the selected data mobile. Then for the join date I have done the selected data join date. Then for this I have given if the selected data status is equal to the 0, the button ID should be UB and the selected data email class BTN danger unclick block user PHP script selected data email and block. So you all won't understand what is it, but I will tell you what's gonna happen in my script.js and block process. Then over here, if it comes to the else, it should be success, and the same onclick should come, and the word should be unblock. So now let's check what I have done to make this block users. So for the block users, what I have done is I have given the function as the email and the block users, then the var request as the XML HTTP request, and the request.open as a get, and the user block process should be going to the user block process.php, and while sending it, I have sent the email as a get method, and I have given it to the Ajax method. Then I have request to the send. So because I haven't sent anything, it's just a send, which is empty. Then for the request.onReady state change, I have given the request ready state, and I have given the var txt, that means text, as the response text of the request. Then what I have done is, if the text is equal to the block, these should be unblocked, as the inner HTML should be unblocked, and the class list should be btn success. And if it becomes to the unblocked, the inner HTML should be blocked, and the class list should be btn danger. So now let's check what I have done in my user block process. Okay, so these are the codes that I have given for this. So what I have done over here is, first we should give the required connection. Then I have given the $get email. Then for that, I have assigned the $get email to the $user email. Then what I have done is I have select all from user where the email is equal to the user email, and I have assigned the search query to the user RS, that means user result step. Then the num rows as the user RS, and I have assigned those to the user num. Then if the user num is equals to the 1, the user data and the user RS should be fetched as awk, and if $data is equals to the status of the equals 1, the database IUD should be updated, and the user set status into 0 where email is equal to the user email. Now, I was just talking about what happens over here. But if I explain this on brief, what happens over here is that over here in our manage users, I have told if the selected data status is equal to the 1. So the status 1 is over here. So over here, y'all can see in my database, y'all can see that yes, y'all can see that the status is equals all to the 1. So if I change it into 0, that means that is not an active user. So that's why I want to make it into block user. So that means it's not blocked. So you should make it block by clicking this button. But if it's if it's not equals to 1, if it equals to 0, it should be btn success, and it should be unblocked. Then what I have done over here is, if the user data status is 0, the user status should be 0. So that means if it's 1, the status should be deactive as 0. And where the email is equal to the user email, and the echo should be blocked. And if it comes to the 0, the status should be 1. So if I click the other one and if it's 0, I should click that, then it will change to 1. Then if it don't happen, they cannot find the user, please try again. Then if it all don't happen, oops, something went wrong. So that is why over here unblocked and blocked, and over here also blocked and unblocked. So that is it for this user block and the user manage users page. I hope you understood what I had done over here. So I'll be back with the manage products and the block products page. So stay tuned. So have a nice day and bye.